how to download the trending Bilibili app and install it on your phone. Now, China just announced that their popular Bilibili video platform that works the same way YouTube works will be going global. Now, Bilibili pays their creators. That is why it is everywhere. Now, people are seeing it as a competing YouTube, that it will be competing with YouTube and people will be alternating it to YouTube. The thing is, China just announced it, and this August is when they said they will be launching it globally. But basically, in this video, I will show you how to download it on your platform, on your phone, whatever device you're using. I will show you how to download it free of charge. Now, first, let's head over. Let me show you how to do that. Then I'll come back and explain to you what the app is all about. First, when you get to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for it on your Apple Store or Play Store, right? On the search bar, you type in BILI, okay, BILI, all right, Billy, right? Now, this is what will display, showing it is not on the Apple Store yet. Okay, it is not on the Apple Store, it is not on the Play Store, it is not yet there. All right, so when you go there, you don't see it. The only place you have to search for you to be able to access it, and this is the only one that will pop up. Now, head over to your browser, whatever browser you're using, just type in the same Bilibili app, and this will pop up. You see that first one, that app stone? You see this first one. You click on it, all right, it opens up this way. Now, this particular means you need to be patient with it because it will take you to first, let me take it away from desktop site. So, yeah, this is how it looks. All right. Now, what you just need to do is click on download. All right. This is the pink. This is how the Bilibili app is. This is their logo, the original logo. Okay, just click on download. It takes you to so many steps. Okay, I'll just take this out. It is downloading. You see, download again. You click on download. All right, you allow it to finish downloading. Okay, so I'm still downloading mine. All right, you must go through this process. This is the only way for those that are using Android. Same for those that are using Android. This is Android. All right. Okay, you wait for it to be done downloading. It is done downloading. All right, so just head back, locate where you see your downloaded. This is it. All right, whatever you download, this is where it goes to. You look for it, click on it, allow resource, click on install. All right, now the first thing the app you'll be asked to do is to install the another Play Store, more like a Play Store. All right, you are installing an app that will give you access to that Bilibili. Okay, now this is the app. Click on it. The app has been installed. Click on the app. It takes you here. You see Bilibili. See it here. All your favorite videos. Click on it. Install. Okay, allow access. You say okay. Allow. All right. You allow it to download. The first download you did was an app. This, all right, inside, you're now inside that first app you downloaded. Then you go ahead and download your Bilibili video app. Okay, so it is downloading. I have to give it time to make sure it gets to 100%. All right, before proceeding. Okay, now I'm waiting. We're still waiting for it to hit the 100% first. As you can see, it is done. You see install. I've downloaded the Bilibili. You click on install and you proceed. All right, now it is installing the app. Now you can see the reason why it did not install. Just proceed. Click here, allow. Okay, because it's an external source. Click on allow and download again. It will start downloading. All right. send. Whatever I ask you to click on, just click on it and proceed. All right, this is what you keep doing. You wait for it. Now it is installing on my phone. It is installing on my phone. I'm still right on the app. I am still right on the app, okay? Once it is done installing, you see open, then you click on open. Immediately you click on open, it takes you to the app. Okay, you click on open, it takes you to the app. This is now the app is already on my phone. You see, welcome to Bilibili. Now, not go ahead and register because the platform is not global yet. Okay, China just announced that Bilibili app will be going global. Now, people are looking for way to download it, all the rest of them. Downloaded it now, it is okay. All right. But bear in mind, it is not global yet. That is why you cannot see it on Apple Store, Play Store. You can only download it through the means that I showed you. Now, here is the disadvantage. It is not global yet. Therefore, you cannot make money out of it yet. And secondly, the one, when you register it, it may not be the same with that of the one China will be made global. It is the same app, okay, but you downloaded it using another means. It is not on Play Store, any of the Apple Store yet. So my advice is we all are looking forward to it. If you watch, I did not proceed to even registering because I prefer when it's out, I will take my time, I do the registration so that I'll be certain that I will be making money out of my content. So currently, when you download it to register, you may not make money out of that. There's no assurance. China only announced. They did not say they have done it. We are not certain that it has been done. We only know they have announced it. So when they do that, possibly you can now download it right on your Play Store, Apple Store. All right. So see you guys on my next video. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and wait for China to announce it so everybody can download it from their Play Store.